In this video, your captain is going to talk about the #1 skill required to help you land a job in 2020. There's never been a better time to go out there and get what's yours. While the world is in a panic, you need to stay calm and focused. The 1% right now aren't afraid. They're quietly taking advantage of opportunities no one has even heard of before. And for you to join them, all you need to educate yourself on this new world we're in as fast as possible. If you've been stuck at home looking for ways to thrive, I have some rapid skill development training for you. If you're a job seeker, you need to update your skills in the current economy. The #1 most valuable skill to develop right now is copywriting. There are internet marketers out there making millions. The common necessity between all of them: their copy. Plain and simple. Your clients will be elated, and if you're a marketer or even a vendor, you could get amazing results from a well-written copy. Learn how to use words and persuasion to draw customers to a business, instead of a business having to go look for them. Now you all know how important copy is. Your captain, encourage you to jump on this amazing course that teaches you how to become a great copywriter. The link is in the description. Make sure to click on it. And finally, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, leave your questions in the comments section. Share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon. The captain has got some great content on jobs, entrepreneurship, and health coming your way.